Hello children, how are you? Today our recipe is Bread Gulab Jam. Welcome to Littlechef. Fun, tasty, easy. Take fresh bread slices and remove the edges if you need it. Tear the bread into small pieces. And place them in a bowl. Pour a little milk slowly and mix well. Mix the bread until it becomes smooth and soft. Take small portions of the dough and roll them gently into smooth shapes the ball. Heat oil on a low flame. The oil should be medium hot, not too hot, so the gulab jam cooks evenly. Slowly place the bread balls into the hot oil. Fry them on low to medium flame. Until they turn golden brown from all sides. Remove the fried balls and place them on a bowl. In a pan, add sugar and water. Heat until the sugar dissolves completely. Put the sugar syrup into the gulabjam bowl. Your favorite homemade bread gulab jam is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Little